Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping more water from feeding the problem. Shut the toilet fill valve and don't run any taps. Once done, clear the tub stopper and block the overflow so you can plunge and watch flow. Put on gloves, lay down rags, and position a bucket by the toilet. Use a flange plunger on the toilet first because it seals the sewer path. A good seal directs pressure into the clog. Make sure the plunger is submerged enough to form a vacuum. If plunging doesn't clear it, move quickly to mechanical clearing. Feed a closet auger into the toilet and crank while pushing gently to break a mainline clog. Once you feel the resistance give, retract and flush small amounts of water to check. If that fails, snake from the tub drain toward the shared branch to work a clog farther down. Make sure to keep both fixtures dry and clean materials as you go. The goal is to re-establish flow without forcing sewer gases back into the house. After clearing, you must confirm the fix. Flush the toilet and run tub water while watching for slow drainage or backup. If both flow normally, dry surfaces and sanitize contaminated areas. Replace any displaced drain seals or a worn wax ring if you notice leaks. Make sure to check for lingering gurgles which indicate a partial clog. If the backup returns, you've likely got a deeper main sewer or vent issue. Stop and call a licensed plumber rather than causing more damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.